I don't know, let's sing something. Sitting, dancing, dancing, round and round, yeah, yeah. Sitting, dancing, dancing, round and round. Hey! Yo, what's up, guys? How's everyone doing? Got 5 really cool lined up vocal presets for you guys here today. And just before I go into this, guys, want to give a big shout out to everyone that's dropped their suggestions last week. Keep them coming for next week as this week. And I'm giving you guys 5 free vocal presets, as you can see here, as you guys can see here on the screen. Just before I go into this, guys, let me just drink a bit of this milk. Big up my ex and her mother for donating this milk, lovely breast milk. Now, guys, rap effects. So, as you guys know, now going into this, guys, on a serious one, no breast milk, guys, we will be sounding
quite mysterious. We will have a
very cool kind of auto-tune effect. We will also take it to that Afro-Pop kind of sound, and we're also gonna go to that clean, very clean kind of vocals that you guys can use.
And also, this really cool, amazing sounding young vocal preset. If you're old and you're 80 years old and you're watching my tutorial, you want to sound younger, pop that on, and there you go. You sound like a kid. Bam.
Now, let's go back to this. So, I'm going to change the view today. I'm going to change it to wide. So, here, just click on this, compact, and drop it to wide. Boom. So, guys, the first preset is Rap Effect. As you guys can see, these are the stacks. I'm not going to run through them. As you can download the preset, it will make you sound like this. Check this out. Told me that you was by my side, yeah. We are gone, yeah. Tell me if you're rapping. Tell me what is up. Tell me if you love this vocal preset. Tell me what is up, yeah. Alright, next one is Afro-Pop. If you guys like Afro-Pop, again, you know, we're using Autotune Artist, so you guys can get this in more description. 14-day free trial, there's a link in my description. Try it out, see how you get on. You get all these cool effects and also other effects I'm going to show you in a second. I'm using something called Vocal Cleaner on here as well. So without these effects, this is what we will sound like. So we got the Autotune multi-band compressor, Fruity Reverb 2, Sound Goodizer, and then we throw in a vocal cleaner which gets rid of the pops, clicks, and just normalizes our audio. And we're using a preset on here, the male hip-hop deezer. So you guys can grab that in the more link description if you haven't got the vocal cleaner. We'll give your vocals a really nice kind of feel. And as you guys can see, if I turn off that reverb, I'm sounding really cool. So this is a really cool kind of Afro-pop. You can go like, oh, I'm dancing round, I'm dancing. So let me take the headphones on because I'm getting feedback to sing. I don't know, let's sing something. Singing, dancing, what you know, yeah. Sitting, dancing, dancing, round and round, yeah, yeah. Sitting, dancing, dancing, round and round. Hey! We got the rest of it. Okay, next one. Clean vocals. Guys, we have got very clean vocals here. This is a Easter special. Clean vocals. Very nice and clear kind of vocals. As you guys can hear, if I turn this off, oh, wrong one. Let's turn that back on. As you guys can see, if I turn this off, my vocals don't sound clean at all. But with these effects, we're using Autotune Artist, Sound Goodizer with the A up to 75%, Parametric EQ, and we're using Panagement 2 this time, guys. As you guys can see, I'm using the Concept Reverb with the size of up to 35%, taking the tail down minus 12.63 and the wetness 28.57%, and took this kind of where you can put the sound left or right. Just place that in the middle to get that really nice kind of ambient sound I'm looking for. And you guys can download Panagement 2 from Producer Buzz. Really nice kind of vocal effect. As you guys can see, I can sing something. Let's say, please don't call, I wonder why. Na 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 na. Na 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 na, top my window. I got breast milk on the go. Anyway, all jokes aside, guys, you gotta get the point. Make sure you smash that like if you enjoyed this. I try to bring a little bit more humor to this because I'm not Chris Rock and I don't get slapped. Anyway,
Next one is some kind of vocal preset I'm gonna show you guys.
basically, this is what we would sound like. We added sound goodizer on here, and we're using something called the Avox throat. Now, what this does is you can basically change the settings on here. This is by Antares, and you can really control how you kind of pronounce the words and stuff.
And you can really turn it on and sound like this. And you can kind of change the pitch so you sound like really whatever you want. It's actually quite crazy. Just by changing this pitch value, you can see that I can sound like really what I want. When by fortune evolved and the vocal period there, okay, I can really sound like the mysterious kind of voice. So you got that
Mysterious kind of voice on there. And then another one that I wanted to bring out, we got Sounding Young.
And this is a really cool kind of vocal preset that you guys can use for whatever, if you want to play a prank on someone or just have a bit of fun, you can really change the voice. And also you can create these backing kind of sounds like, anyway,
I have no idea how this is going to come in handy, but I thought I'd do it as a special kind of, just all jokes aside now, check this out. If you guys enable the rap effect, okay, you enable this really funny effect and take that funny effect down to like 32%. Enable the mysterious voice and take that down to about 29%, yeah? And then the clean vocals on top. Guys, check this out. You're getting really cool kind of vocal kind of preset. Like this kind of distorted kind of Juice WRLD vocal effect. Like, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Pick up the milk. I'm not gonna say it. So guys, you can download this folder from the link in my description. You can get the presets, go to any channel, right click, file, open mixer track state, and you will see you will have these vocal presets in here. And let's say we open up Afro-Pop. Boom. You load up Afro-Pop, you can turn it on and obviously put your mic in, and there you go. Oh, yeah. Now obviously turning off the main effect here, you guys can see you can just put up all these effects just by importing them. Right click, file, open mixer state, clean vocals, let's say. Bam, and there you go, you got clean vocals, just like that. As you guys can see, you can really change it around and you can enable all of these effects and kind of play around with the sound, and you can get this really cool kind of mysterious effect. Obviously, if you turn all of them on, then you can get this like, oh, yeah. As you guys can see, and you can really play around with, this. I'm getting crazy feedback, so I'm going to take the headphones off. Let's just, we can put this one up a bit more and this one down, so you can really play around with like the effect kind of choice you get. So we can go yeah. Fascinating, finding me back at it again. I know that it's your fault, you don't understand, no. you got crazy. This is crazy. So you guys can see, you can really play around with these effects and really have fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys got any questions, make sure you drop them below. I showed you how to load them. Also guys, I have got a Patreon page. You can join it. I've got a few people joined now. I think 5 or 6 people have joined. Just started it up. You guys can join it and get the full FLP project, and also support me on these tutorials, keeping it saucy, bringing out the breast milk, and doing whatever we do. You know how it is. Guys, stay tuned for more presets. Drop in more comments what vocal preset you guys want to see. Stay saucy. Peace out. Ciao.